Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Pop Culture Group Company Limited, ticker symbol CPOP, a Chinese 2023 year-end overall operations report release play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out REBN pre-market today, May 8th, 2024, before it ran up 150%. We also called out TIVC pre-market today, May 8th, before it ran up 144%. CTMX was called out in our private Discord pre-market yesterday, May the 7th, and today, May the 8th, before it ran up 133%. And finally, we called SGD in our private Discord pre-market today, May 8th, before it ran up 104%. We are just made different, folks. This is what we do, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Pop Culture Group Company Limited, ticker symbol CPOP, which is headquartered in Xiamen, China. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ entertainment and communications services company with a $6.70 million market cap and 67 employees. Pop Culture Group Company Limited hosts entertainment events to corporate clients in China. The company hosts concert and hip-hop related events, including stage plays, dance competitions, cultural and musical festivals, and promotional parties, as well as creates hip-hop related online programs and provides event planning and execution services in communication, planning, design, production, reception, execution, and analysis services to advertisers and media service providers, industry associations, and companies in a range of industries. It also offers marketing services, including brand promotion, trademark and logo design, and visual identity system, brand positioning, personality design, and digital solutions. They also offer other solutions like software as a solution and advertisement distribution services to corporate clients. Pop Culture Group Company Limited is a subsidiary of Joya Enterprises Limited and was incorporated in 2020. Now let's take a look at CPOP's most recent news. On May 8, 2024, the company released an interim financial report for the 6 months ended December 31st, 2023. The second half of 2023 witnessed an increase in its overall operational performance. For the 6 months ended December 31st, 2023, the company recorded consolidated revenues of approximately $24 million, representing an increase of $12.75 million compared to the corresponding period of the previous fiscal year, reflecting a 113% year-on-year growth. Additionally, the company's consolidated gross profit for the 6 months ended December 31st, 2023, increased from a deficit of $2.34 million in the 6 months ended December 31st, 2022, to gross profits of $1.78 million in the 6 months ended December 31st, 2023. Pop culture experienced a particularly large growth in its online brand marketing and promotion business, which increased by over 280% compared to the same period in the previous fiscal year. Now, Pop Culture Group also unveiled its plan in conducting digital collection sales through its own WeChat account. Now, the price on CPOP's stock was pushed upward today, 52% with this news. And this could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. For this reason, and also because CPOP is also a Chinese stock with a low float, a continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Pop Culture Group Company Limited, CPOP, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the entertainment and communications services sector. CPOP is a company that we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will CPOP run parabolic? It will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. Now, this is not advice. We are not pros. It is just my opinion, and I will have CPOP on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.